Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible to you? Can you hear me properly? I'm fine. Hridi, Lisa, I'm fine. And how are you? Everyone? This is for everyone. How are you? Yes. Yes, good afternoon. Okay, very good. So, welcome back to your class 2 science class. So, previous day we discussed some chapters, right, as a revision part. So, can you tell me that from which chapters we discussed? We start from last chapter, right? From last one, that's our earth. So, from our earth we discussed our earth, safety, habits and first aid, and different types of houses. Is it? Are we discuss seasons and clothing up to chapter 13? Okay. Debupriya, can you please turn off your camera? Okay. So, today we discuss from seasons and clothing. Seasons and clothing we didn't discuss, right? Okay. So, let me know first, have you any problem? Have you any problem from those chapters? No. Okay, no problem you have. Okay. Yes, good afternoon, Ashmit. Okay, so I will ask some questions like that previous day, and you have to answer me as you know. So let's start. Tell me, from which month to which month summer season remains? Or which 3 months summer season remains? Tell me. Everyone answer me first, that from which months to which months, or the 3 months the summer seasons remain. Yes, April, May and June. April, May and not March, April, May. April, May and June. Those 3 months summer seasons remains. Okay. Kritika Pal, not need to recording. Please stop it. Okay. Now tell me that how we can keep ourselves cool. How we can keep ourselves cool. Very good, everyone. Now give the answer. How we can keep ourselves cool. Yes, very good, Ankita. Wearing loose cotton cloth. Okay. By wearing loose white cotton cloth. And we can use the other things also. You can join those answers with this. Is it only wearing the loose cotton clothes? Yes, very good, Ashmi. We use those other things, fan, coolers, air conditioner in summer season. So in summer season we wear we keep ourselves cool by wearing loose white cotton clothes and use fans, coolers and air conditioners. Okay. Okay. Now go to the next question. That we have winter which season every year, or which season the winter remains every year. Very good, Ashmi Debopriya. Now tell me, in which season the which months the winter remains every year? December, January and February. December, January. Right here at least that January is a month, and in the January month also included not only December and February. Between those 2 months there is one month, that is January also. So December, January and February, those 3 months, December, January and February. Okay. In which season we carry umbrella and wear raincoat? Yes, Debopriya. In which season we carry umbrella and wear raincoat? Yes, Ayush, Deboshmita and Dakshi Ankita, very good. Very good. It's a rainy season or monsoon also. Very good. Rainy season or monsoon also. Very good. That time we carry umbrella and wear raincoat and gumboots to protect ourselves from rain. Okay. Now tell me, what is the difference between autumn and spring? What is the difference between autumn and spring? You have to tell me one difference. That also so easy. What is the difference between autumn and spring? And Ayush said, in autumn trees shed their leaves, in spring trees have new leaves. Very good. Debopriya, Ayush. Very good. Very good, Indrakshi. Yes, so in autumn season, trees, Arman, which things you write here? Delete it fast. Give me answer. The difference between autumn and spring. So in autumn, trees shed their leaves, but in the springtime, trees have new leaves. Trees have new leaves. Yes, that's also correct. After winter after winter the spring will come before summer, and yes, and before winter autumn will come. Okay. Deboshmita, write your own answer. Yes, Lisa, but that's not difference. because the weather is same between two seasons. In the autumn season or in the spring season, weather will be not too hot and not too cold. So those two are the similar. Okay, that's not the difference. That's not the difference. Debopriya also. Listen my words at first. That in those months, the autumn season and spring season, in those both, the spring weather is not neither hot or neither too cold. Okay. Now go to the next question. What is snow? What is snow? What is snow? Go to the next question now, everyone. What is snow? As you know, the water drops freeze on their way sometimes. You know about the water cycle, right? House. I am asking about what is snow. In colder countries, the water freezes and becomes solid. Yes, very good, Riddhi. Your answer is correct. Water drops, which, as you learn about water cycle, right? That the water which is vaporized by the sun and go to the cloud. Somewhere those vaporized water go to the cloud, and there those water drops freeze in the cloud itself, and they fall down as snow. Those are called the snow. Okay. So when in the winter the some rainwater go to the cloud, and there in the cloud those water drops freeze by itself, it called snow. Okay. You have to remember what's about hailstone and what's about snow. Previous day when I asked about it, some of you gave the wrong answer. So you have to read it very attentively, hailstone and snow. What is the solid form of water? What is the solid form of water? Very good. That is ice. Okay. Okay, everyone. Now tell me, if we heat any water pot, what happened? If we give heat any pot which is filled up by water, then what happened? If we give heat any pot which is filled up by water, what happened next? That's also so easy. Very good, Ayush. And others? Very good. It becomes steam. Change into water vapor. Very good. So, others, when we give heat to any pot which is filled up by water, those water change into water vapor. Those water change into water vapor, or it becomes steam. Now go to the next questions. Why we need air? Why we need air? Why we need air? Yes, very good. Yes, Ayush, your answer is correct. Air has oxygen which supports life. Okay. Yes. So we need air to live, to breathe. We need air to breathe. How we should keep air clean? How we should keep air clean? Very good. Grow more plants. Yes. Grow more green plants. We should grow more green plants to keep the air clean. To keep the air clean. Yes. So, what is storm? What is storm? S-T-O-R-M, storm. Very good, everyone. To grow more green plants. Very good. Now the next question. What is storm? Hard air means, what is the HEARD, hard air? You can hear it. Kaushik? Yes, very good, Ashmi, Riddhi, Ankita. Very strong wind and very fast wind called storm. Okay. Yes, okay. Now can I go to the next question? Very good, Lisa. Very good, everyone. Okay. Now go to the next question. Which gas we take when we take breath? When we take breath, which gas we take? When we take breath, which gas we take? Yes, you all know this. Very good. You are so intelligent, everyone. Very good. So when we take breath, we take oxygen. We take oxygen. Very good. And when we give out breath, which gas we give out? When we release the breath, which gas we give out? Very good, Kaushik. Very good, Riddhi. Ashmi. Very good. So when we release our breath from our body, we give out carbon dioxide. We give out carbon dioxide. I did the wrong. Okay, we give out carbon dioxide, and when we take breath, that time we take oxygen. And this chapter, last food for good health, this is also very important, and you have to revise it, because we revise it again also on your PT2 exam, that what is energy giving food, why we need food, what is bodybuilding food, what are those protective foods, right? And how many water we should drink. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Okay, so here we completed the class today, and your time is also over. So if you have any kind of problem, you can ask me to your next class. Till then, you have to prepare yourself for your exam. So best wishes for you everyone. Have a nice day.